Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to deploy Hermes Agent on a Hostinger VPS. To get started, sign into your Hostinger account and open your VPS dashboard. From there, go to Docker Manager and open the catalog. In the search bar, type Hermes Agent, then select it to begin the deployment process. During setup, you will be asked to create an administrator username and password. Choose credentials that are secure and keep them in a safe place because you will need them to sign in later. Next, choose how Hermes Agent will connect to AI models. If your VPS includes Nexus AI credits, the API key is created automatically and filled in for you. This means there is nothing to copy or paste. These credits allow Hermes Agent to access models like Claude, Gemini, and GPT through a single gateway. If you want, you can also provide your own API key during deployment. You only need one API key to get started, and you can add more AI providers later from the Hermes Agent settings. Once you have filled in the required information, click Deploy. Hostinger will automatically create and start the Hermes Agent container along with the required services, including Trafic. After the deployment is complete, you can sign in using the administrator account you created and start using Hermes Agent. Thanks for watching.